Hello YouTube, Mikey Cal here, and this is video number 10 in my series on utilizing Blender as a video editor. Now in the previous video I talked about common misconceptions that people have about the frame rate that shows up here in the preview window when we hit this play button down here. And I also told you how to use the refresh sequencer button to improve the frame rate of the preview window. Now in today's video I'm specifically going to be talking about how we maneuver the different strips in relationship to each other, because we're commonly going to want to place one set of strips exactly one frame after another set of strips so that we have a continuity. So it goes and plays right from frame to frame. It continues the video or audio as we desire. Now, I've broken up this movie, Big Buck Bunny, into three different sets of audio-video strips. And I'm just going to demonstrate how we can easily and precisely move the strips around. Now, first thing, let's actually group select this set of strips over here. I'm going to click with my left mouse button to select this area, and I'm going to hit the B button for a box select and highlight it over with my left mouse button, let go. Now, when I hit my G button to move, you'll notice that you see numbers at the beginnings and the endings of each of our sets of strips. And those numbers represent the beginning frame that that strip is laying on and the ending frame that it is laying on. So this is an easy way for us to actually, see if we're how far we are away from being on the next frame. Now, I didn't actually realize until months of using this program that there's a really easy way to take one set of strips and make them automatically go to the next frame right after another set of strips. So for example, if I want this strip right here that I'm moving around, if I want that to start and be exactly the next frame after this, all I have to do is hold it over till it turns red and overlaps. Now you'd think that that would mean that it is overlapped and it's wrong, but it turns out that Blender is smart enough to know that whenever I drop a set of strips over another set of strips, and they're sharing frames, it knows that what I really want to do is place it after. So I'm just going to drop it anywhere where it's red, and look at that. It placed it exactly after. That's the quickest way to take one set of strips and just automatically place them on the next frame. Now, another thing that you guys might want to do is you might want to be doing some fine adjustments to your strips, and you are zoomed out and you want to quickly be able to zoom in and look at them with a closer view. And there's actually a really fast way to zoom in that's faster than using this zoom wheel. We can actually use our B button, that box select button, but we use it with the shift button. So what we're going to do is we're going to hold the shift button down. We're first going to click somewhere. So I'll click with my left mouse button. Now I'll hold my shift button down and click B. And look, it gave us that crosshair that we get when we're going to use it to just do a box select. But what this is going to do when we hit Shift B is it's going to let us draw a box by clicking our left mouse button, holding it down, and pulling, and letting go, and watch what happens. It zooms in to the area that we placed the box around. Now you can easily grab the end of a strip with your right mouse button, grab one of the handles, and you can hit the G button and you can pull it and readjust it really easily. This is really great. Or you can just click your left mouse button and you can make a cut like you usually would. Let me undo that with Control Z. And of course, when you want to return to your full view, the simplest way is to just hit the home button, and that brings us back out to our full view. Now, there's one other thing I want to show you guys, and that is you can actually change the increments in which you're moving the strips by holding your shift button. So for example, if I select these two strips and hit my G button, you'll see if I move my mouse back and forth, they move at a certain speed. But if I now click my shift button, you'll notice that it now is making smaller jumps. So that's a way that we can delicately move our strips to a different or a more specific frame. And I used to use this technique all the time. Let's try it. When I was trying to actually get it closer to the this to the 2012 frame right here, where I want it to be immediately after that set of strips. So I used to sit here and I would hold my shift button, I would slowly move over until it went to 2012. And then I realized that it was way easier to just hover over until it was red, click it, and let it automatically place it. So that is all you guys need to know for today. I will see you guys in the next video.